Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or disable automatic downloads in Chrome. To start, open the Chrome browser. From the menu, click on Settings. After that, in Privacy and Security, you are going to click on Site Settings. Then click on Additional Permissions and then select Automatic Downloads. As you can see, here it is possible to allow or disallow automatic downloads by checking the respective boxes. At the bottom, you can add a specific site to either allow automatic downloads or not. You do this by clicking Add and entering the site. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.